Happy birthday!
If you win 5 cents.
No, 5 cents. Bakit sa akin 5 cents lang?
Inflation rate.
Handa ka lang, Say.
New segment daw ng Justin Show.
Oy, new segment. She's endorsing, guys.
Small interview muna ba?
What do you want to endorse? What's that in your...
Free.
What's that?
I-promote mo na sa Justin Show, bilis.
Hi! The Justin Show!
Hindi yung book mo, i-promote mo na.
Please, free. 50 Shades so free.
Right. Remember,
If you win $5.
Right.
Ilang seconds ba yun sa kanya? 13.
Our next contestant is practicing.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to mahaba daw kasi yun.
Mine the longest.
Not yet, not yet.
You're still the longest.
So young yet.
Joseph's next.
Alright, do you know what to do?
But there's still one more chance.
Alright, done
Go!
ako.
This is
Alright,
you.
1, 2, 3,
I just
go.
need your lid. Thank you.
Needs more focus. Focus. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday. Sino? Teka, nape-pressure ako.
Joseph can handle the pressure.
Stress eh.
1, 2, 3, go.
Gumagawa ka sa babo.
Zero muna pag ginawa
I
niya.
love how he handles the...
Everyone will do it.
May everyone ba?
Oh.
Go, Joseph!
Ayun na si tita muna, si tita muna. Welcome po sa bahay.
Kailangan niya mo
Bye, Nick.
lumaba ng happy birthday.
Pictures naman.
Pahabakan ko.
Dito.
Nasa labas po.
Hero. Hero.
Uy, mo mas maba katulad nung iyong buko. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to...
No, he'll do it again later.
Yes.
Later, after everyone, after everyone. 16.
60 minus 30.
You have 3 engineers in your family, bro.
The pressure is real.
16 minus 6 minus 3.
Okay.
Wag yung freestyle na.
Birthday.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
Okay.
You need 7 more.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Inak mo yung mic.
Happy birthday to...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 again.
7 na kasi. Si 7 na yung kailangan eh.
7 lang pala yung kailangan.
Addition din daw to, di ba?
I got this back.
Nasaan?
Happy birthday to...
Only 7 again. Sorry, but you lose.
I take it!
Baka daw kuya kasi dapat. Happy birthday, kuya.
Happy birthday, please.
What do you call your brother?
Who?
Who? Who?
Who?
Sabi niya,
your butt?
My brother's name is Puma.
Basta ba si Tom? Nandun sa Tom, paging mo? Paging mo, please count.
Finale daw siya eh. Save the best for last.
Grabe kayo, hindi na tumigil. Grabe kayo, guys. Yeah, Joseph.
That's how addicting my game is.
Si Joseph wala nang host to.
Happy birthday to...
One.
Kahit ba yung speech mo may clear rin?
I have long cancer.
Gusto ko yung happy birthday to. Yay! Yay, Albert!
Do it.
I-live mo, bilis.
Monica. Monica.
Albert will do the happy birthday to...
Ay.
How long can he go?
How long?
1, 2,
Can
3,
I-
go! You're live!
Happy birthday to...
Oh my god. You should go to the Olympics for this.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Ay, mas mataas sa $5.
Totoo bang may $5?
27, 28.
Wait! Don't die! You have to beat that.
100.
Paano ulit siya?
How many seconds was that, Justin? 32. You have to beat 32, Bryle.
Monica!
Silin mo na.
Uy, si birthday ko!
Ayun tayo yung nakagawa sa speech.
Oh my god, silin.
Hindi ko mo...
Pagod daw, pagod.
Yung birit daw dapat.
Happy birthday to... Uy,
Ate,
6 seconds.
how long
Bakit?
can you go?
Monica na ka.
Can you go?
Monica yung suot mo
Lalayo,
ha.
lalayo.
Happy birthday to...
May break.
What's
Sakit-sakit na nga. Papilit mo pa.
Sasaktan na rin ako.
You know, isang ano dyan, drama.
Sa una lang daw masakit yun. Tapos,
Kaya I feel good later.
Sa una lang daw masakit.
pag sa huli, manhid ka na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
Tiebreakers na rin si Kibels.
Bryle is longer.
Meant to be tayo.
Meant to be 6, 6. Isa pa 6.
Isang 9 naman siya.
Okay,
Happy birthday to... 15.
Labing isa. Labing dalawa.
Ayun o, yun nasa
Labing
corner.
tatlo.
Albert. Good. What accents are you using?
Magkaka $2.50 ka na.
Special po ito, may sarili.
Anong exercise?
Oh my.
Gusto mo dalawa,
Kahaba daw. Double.
Hindi, gusto mo tatlo. Triple.
Si Jen, no? Kain-kain lang dyan, no?
Intimidating. It's big luck.
Oh my gosh, it is big.
Kyle, ikaw ang protege ko ah.
What?
Pag ikaw hindi nanalo.
Meron na po mga death threats. Happy birthday to...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
$5.
12, 13, 14, 15.
Hoy!
Such an angelic voice.
Gagalit po si Joseph.
Manager lang ako.
iOS 10 ka na, Sinky.
Yes! Uy, si ano si...
My turn.
Si Jeff tsaka si Jen na lang. Dapat kubakin
Si Tom
kasi.
pa.
Tsaka si Tom. Makinalo si Tom.
Happy birthday to...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Joffrey's like, before he realized.
Mic Maikli lang po yung kay Jeffrey.
Maikli
Ay,
niya.
ang ikli. Shems. Shems.
Shems, ano ba size ng paa mo?
Hello.
Maikli lang rin ba yung iba?
Go, Jen! Isang
Do you wanna pick up Adrian?
Okay, dyan hinawakan din niya ng iba.
Sige na.
gugumay mo ba?
Samahan niyo ako. Sunduin si Adrian.
Diyan lang yun. Ay ba, malapit lang. Oo, diretsuhin niyo lang.
Sa bahay nga nila?
Oo, sa bahay.
Sa bahay nga nila.
O, bali dyan. Tapos liliko ka to the left. Tapos dire-diretso
Hindi ko
lang.
alam yung shortcut. Ikaw na lang.
Ah, sige. Okay.
Sorry siya.